Hello folks, this is the second day of our stay in Riviera Maya, Mexico, and we're staying here at the El Dorado Seaside Suites. Today is the actual birthday of our niece, and we're about to meet her downstairs along with the rest of the family. Up to this point, I still haven't tried the balcony pool yet because today we're going to a nearby city or town called Playa del Carmen and see what's going on there. I already felt the water in the pool and it's a little bit cold and it's too early to take a dip. We're now downstairs at the Driftwood restaurant about to have some breakfast, enjoying the beachfront views here, and it would be nice to take some time and lie down on one of these cabanas. This restaurant is our go-to place for almost every meal since it's located within our building.
Alam mo ba yung channel sa Facebook? Yung asawa na nakahag? Ayaw ba
For breakfast, we're having eggs and pancakes and a little of that red bean paste they always serve on the side with every meal. They also have this green juice that is a must if you want to succeed in your morning ritual. For me, it's never too early to order wine to help me with my morning ritual. But first, it's time to greet our niece on her birthday using the family's signature version of a popular birthday song. Riding a shuttle is a must here at El Dorado Seaside Suites because the resort is huge. Tips are always appreciated by the drivers. We have arrived in the city of Playa del Carmen, particularly the Paseo del Carmen shopping mall, considered as probably within the center of commercial activity in the town. It is a semi-outdoor mall lined with bars, restaurants, and signature shops. Outside this mall is where local stores selling various merchandise are also located. After that, we went to Parque Los Fundadores, a plaza that features a magnificent sculpture that forms an arch, called El Portal Maya, commemorating an important end of cycle in the Mayan Calendar. It was unveiled in 2012. It's also popularly called the Statue of the Mermaids because the two female figures comprising the sculpture resemble them. Overall, this 50-foot tall sculpture symbolizes unity and balance, and a harmonious connection between humanity and the natural world. At one point, one of my sisters-in-law remembered that she had to buy a piece of luggage to replace the one that got broken recently, so she decided to look for one here. She eventually bought one at a reasonable price after a few minutes of haggling. After buying the luggage, we went back to the park to take a last look at the El Portal Maya sculpture. Then it's time to go back to the hotel. For dinner, we tried a restaurant inside the complex that serves Mexican cuisine called La Carrera, a fine dining a la carte style restaurant. Needless to say, the food was really good.
Masarap nga. Not kidding. It's really good.
That's it for day 2 of our stay here in this part of Mexico called the Yucatan Peninsula, particularly in the city of Playa del Carmen, which is a must-go-to place when you're here. Watch out for day 3 where we went to another popular beach.